go to the core capability overview. What are the core capabilities of this PAM tool is? So the core capability of this tool is encrypted vault, automated password rotation, discovery and remote changing, session recording. So we need to understand from the architecture point of view, there are 4 major components for Delinea Secret Server. Okay, so you understand that why PAM is required, and so when we deploy the PAM, there are four components also get deployed along with this PAM solution. The first component would be your web front end, that would be your application server. The second component would be your distributed engine, and the third component would be your site connector, and the fourth one would be your database. So all together make this Delinea Secret Server functioning. So maybe when you will install it, or whenever if you get opportunity to install or work upon it, then you will get the more overview of this architecture in the backend, how it works. But I'll give you the brief introduction of all these 4 components, what exactly they do. So in Delinea web front end itself is the application part, the application server, and the distributed engine is responsible only for the password rotation and the syncing from your Active Directory. And site connector is nothing but it queues up those requests, whatever you raises for your password rotation and syncing request from your Active Directory to your Delinea. And your database is where all your passwords are stored. Okay, so when we have all these 4 component functional, then it gives us these 4 capability. I mean, these are the major one. Apart from this, there are certain major other capabilities that we can use for Delinea. So those are the major capabilities of the Delinea encrypted vault.